Now before enters, now let's go to line 20. If user inputs in greetings, then both response, that is, it's a random, that is equals to random.choice response. Then we print what? Both, that's both response. Now let's go to line 25. If user input in questions, both underscore response is equal to what? Random choice, that is questions underscore response. So we are going to print both response. If user input in farewells, both underscore response is equal to random choice, that's farewells response. Then we'll print what? Both underscore response. Then we'll break the loop. But if the user enters anything that is not included in the code, that is line 36, we say else, print what? That means the response we get from chatbot is, I am sorry, I don't understand, can you please rephrase your question? So here, let's say all these greetings, how are you, what's up, then the farewell, we say goodbye, bye, and all that. If any of this that we entered as the user and it's not included in this code, that is what we get here in line 36 as response. So we can upgrade this code, we can enter new things to be able to make the chatbot more interesting and all that. So let's run it again and enter something wrong to see the response we get. So let's run it again. So this is the console. The user says okay, hi, then I press enter. Chatbot says, hi, how can I help you? I say nothing much. Let's say nothing much. Nothing much. When I enter this one, chatbot says what? I am sorry, I didn't understand, can you please what? Rephrase your question. So you see, the thing I entered is not included in the code, meaning chatbot will not understand, it can't recognize that question. So if you want to get response from something like nothing much, you need to do what? Go into the code and then edit it a bit so that you can get something like that. So let's enter the correct thing and see what we get. Okay, here I say how are you, then I press enter. You see chatbot, this one is included in the code, that's why chatbot has given us what? Response, that is not much, just here to assist you. Let's say bye, enter bye, then chatbot says what? Goodbye. So this is simple how you can do what? Create your own chatbot or chat GPT. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share to those who are also in need of this video. And thank you once again for watching, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Love you.